Honorable members, we have approximately 50 speakers remaining in the ongoing special discussion on India's strong, successful and decisive Operation Sindoor. We may consider resuming the special discussion at 12 noon today by speaking question hour and lunch hour. The House may continue to sit beyond 6 p.m. till the conclusion of this discussion. Do I have the sense of the House?
We, all of us this side, are cooperating not 99%, 100% we are cooperating with this government to run this House. Sir, we will start whenever you want to start, 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, that's not the issue. Sir, we still have 2 weeks of Parliament. The issue for all of us is SIR
No, it is
must
not
be
going on
discussed in
record.
this House.
No, it's not going on record. Please take your seat. So, do I have sense of the House? हम देर तक बैठ सकते हैं? हम देर तक बैठने की सहमति है आप सबकी? देर तक बैठने की सहमति है आप सबकी? Thank you. मैं अनुरोध करूंगा till the conclusion of the debate. Please, not going on record. Announcement. Please. माननीय एलओपी बोलना चाहते हैं, प्लीज. माननीय एलओपी.
सर, मेरा कहना यह है कि इसको एक कब लेने वाले हैं, डेट और टाइम हमको बोल दीजिए, क्योंकि SIR पे सर
प्लीज
सर आपका ही बोल रहा हूँ सर, नहीं आपको बोलना चाहिए, ये तो खत्म हो जाएगा, लेकिन
आप विषय से अलग बोल रहे हैं. अभी हमने प्रस्ताव रखा है कि सदन की से नहीं जा रहा रिकॉर्ड पे. नहीं, इट्स नॉट गोइंग ऑन रिकॉर्ड. ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स, नो, इट्स नॉट गोइंग ऑन रिकॉर्ड. Nothing is going on record. I have already taken the permission of the House. We will resume discussion at 12 noon today by skipping question hour and lunch hour. The House may continue to sit beyond 6 p.m. till the conclusion of this discussion. All of you have given your consent. Nothing will go on record. Honorable members, 18 notices have been received under Rule 267. The notices of honorable members, 18 notices have been received under Rule 267. Please go back to your seats. देर रात तक बैठने की, जब तक बहस समाप्त हो, आपकी सहमति मिल गई है, मैं आगे चल रहा हूं. द नोटिसेज ऑफ श्री मोहम्मद नदीमुल हक, श्री प्रकाश चिकबराइक, श्रीमती JB माथेर हिसम, श्री संजय सिंह, श्री अखिलेश प्रसाद सिंह, श्री तिरुचि शिवा, सुश्री सुष्मिता देव, श्री साकेत गोखले, श्री रणदीप सिंह सुरजेवाला, श्री मनोज कुमार झा have demanded discussion over the concerns arising out of a special intensive revision of electoral rolls undertaken by the Election Commission in Bihar. The notices of Shri Sukhendu Shekhar Roy, Sushri Dola Sen, Srimati Sagrika Ghosh, Shri Rita Brata Banerjee have demanded discussion over the alleged discrimination against Bengali migrant workers in other states. The notices of Shri Santosh Kumar P, Dr. John Britas have demanded discussion over the alleged unjust arrest of 2 nuns in Chhattisgarh on 25th July 2025. The notice of Shri Ramji Lal Suman has demanded discussion over the unprecedented and unexpected resignation of Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha. The notice of Dr. B. Sivadasan has demanded discussion over the rising incidents of racial attacks against Indians worldwide. Some notices were also received yesterday evening while the sitting of the House was continuing, and these have not been taken into consideration for them being premature. Since these notices do not conform to the detailed directives imparted by the Chair on 8/12/2022 and 19/12/2022, the same are declined. It's 0 hour, please. 0 hour, please allow 0 hour to continue. It's your 0. Please continue to allow 0 hour. Please go back to your seats. Please go back to your seats. Please. नहीं, एक मिनट आप बैठे, आप लोग सीट पे जाए, माननीय लोग बोलना कुछ। जी
सर, आपका धन्यवाद करता हूं क्योंकि आपने मुझे बोलने के लिए अनुमति दी है। सर, हमारी कोशिश सिंस बिगिनिंग, जब सदन शुरू हुआ तब से हम सर के ऊपर
नहीं सर, आई विल नॉट, दिस इज नॉट सर, नो
नहीं हम
द हाउस विल मीट एट 12 noon, नो आई विल नॉट, इट्स नॉट